Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn a big messy spreadsheet like this one into a clean, shareable, and customized data management dashboard using Platforms AI. To begin, I'll head to my organization's homepage and click Make Dashboard with AI. Let's then upload my spreadsheet, and let's leave all of these settings checked. My spreadsheet's columns are very messy. The text is all caps, which I don't like, and some widgets would be nice to have in my dashboard. Now, Platforms is interpreting the structure and context of the spreadsheet, determining how to best structure the dashboard it's generating. And now, it's using AI and natural language processing to clean up the dataset. And finally, it's adding some finishing touches and configurations and widgets to the dashboard. And it created. Let's check it out. So I can search the dataset for anything I'd like. So let's say we're looking for restaurant business contacts. You can retrieve all of them. And from there, we have all of the data here. And all of the data has been placed into schema-appropriate fields, such as the telephone number or ethnicity, which is now drop down, the date fields, or these currency fields over here. Platforms also generated some widgets based on this data. So take, for instance, go to site. So I click that and it brings me to this business contact site. Or let's try send email to vendor mailing address, as they had an email here. And it brings me to a pop-up to send them an email via Gmail. One more thing it added are a notes board. So let's say you can post some notes on this business contact. Let's say hit send and it instantly adds it to the notes of this business contact. Let's make some customizations to this dashboard so I can further tailor it to my business needs. Let's say I want to reduce the number of fields in the search. So simply click Edit Dashboard, configure search settings, and from here, I'll check all of the fields I want and uncheck the rest. In this search bar preview, we can also reorder all these fields. Let's say, and I'll set my default search field. Last thing, and let's do last name as a secondary sort field. Okay, the search bar has been customized. Another thing I want to do is take, for instance, Nike sector. This was detected as a text field. I want to change that into a drop-down field instead. So I simply click Nike sector, hit drop-down, and that allows platforms to detect all of the drop-down options that are available based on the values in the data set. Let's say I want to add more fields as well. So say vendor secondary email. I'll track that as an email and put that in. Let's also make a widget to access that email. Okay, and so heading back here, let's give a vendor a secondary email, email.com. Hit the redirect button and it redirects. Let's now invite some users to our organization to give them access to the data for their business needs. Let's go to users and create a new user. Just with read-only access level. I'll now sign in as John Doe. So heading to my organization's login, simply type in the account created, and that gives me access to Platforms AI. But simultaneously, all of these dashboards are now read-only. So I can use these widgets here. I can access all of the data. I just can't customize any of the fields because I was given read-only access. Let's say furthermore that everybody in the guest user group should only have access to the business contacts dashboard. So to do that, we hit Edit Dashboard and then no access, and we just do this for each of the data dashboards. So now if I head back into John Doe's account and hit refresh, the only dashboard I have access to is the business contacts dashboard.